Hey Madness fam, in this video I'll be making a homemade baked ziti. I think that's how you say it. Anyways, you want to get your water boiling with some salt and a little bit of oil. When your water becomes a boil, you turn it down and put in your baked ziti noodles. Leave it in there for about 15 to 20 minutes, depending how you like your noodles. I like mine al dente because I'm going to put them in the oven. Once you boil the noodles to your preference, you are then going to drain your noodles and put them in a pan of your choice. You're then going to put your oven on to 375 to preheat and cook your meat. You want to drain your meat and make your meat sauce. Put whatever cheese of choice on your baked ziti with your meat. I put ricotta and mozzarella, and then I will turn it around while my sauce is cooking. Once I turn it around, I put more mozzarella cheese, and now I'm going to pour my sauce on top as so. I think Baby Bugs approves of my sauce. If anyone watching knows how to make homemade pasta sauce, can you comment down below, please, how you make it? I would love to recreate my own homemade pasta sauce, but I don't know where to start. And I'm going to move it around, add some cheese on top, and show you when I'm done. You can add as much cheese as you want, but remember about high cholesterol. I don't put that much cheese, I don't think, because I made a lot. It's like really deep, my pan, so I put enough cheese on top so that way when I serve it, it'll be enough cheese evenly distributed with the baked ziti. But yeah, if you're not subscribed, make sure you smash that subscribe button and become part of the Madness fam. And if you didn't like the video on your way in, make sure you smash that like button and like it on the way out. 15 minutes in the oven and it is beautifully done. I helped mommy a little bit. Cut some of that down. Gotta finish the grass patches. Want to move that over here, but I want to sweep that out. Gotta throw that still. Hello, sir. Remember to make good choices, be good people, and no one loves you like you love you and like God loves you. Bye.